Question number 12. Solve the system of linear equation using matrix method. A, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is -1, coefficient of z is 1. And in second equation, coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 1, and coefficient of z is -3. 1, 1, 1, and b is equal to 4, 0, 2. First determinant of A, first row, first column, taking 1 and 1, 1, -3, 1. And second time that is minus, and minus is equal to plus 1. First row, second column, neglect and 2, 1, -3, 1, plus last number is 1 and 2, 1, 1, 1. Determinant of A is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to, that is 1, minus is plus, 3 1s are 3, and plus 1, 2 1s are 2, minus plus, 3 1s are 3, plus 1, 2 1s are 2, minus 1 1s are 1. Determinant of A is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 1s are 4, plus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 1s are 5, plus 2 minus 1, 1, 1 1s are 1. Determinant of A we get 10. And determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A inverse exists, and we find the cofactor of matrix A. Cofactor, that is C11, C12, C13. 1 1, that is 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, but -5. 2 plus 1 is 3, then this number multiplied by negative sign, that will be -5, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And C21, C22, C23. 2 1 means second row, first column, -1, -1, that is -2, and this will be +2. Minus multiplied by minus is +2. And C22, second row, second column, 1 1s are 1, -1, that is 0. And C23, 1 1s are 1, minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and that is -2. 2 plus 3 is 5, so this number multiplied by negative sign. And C31, C32, C33. C31 means third row, first column, -3 multiplied by -1, that is +3, +3 minus 1, that is +3 minus 1 is 2, and 3 2, -3 multiplied by -3 multiplied by 1, that is -3, 2 multiplied by 1, -2, that will be -5, and minus multiplied by minus, that is +5. and C 3 1 1s are 1 plus 2, that is 3, we get 3. Adjoint A is equal to C11, C12, C13 in column direction, that is 4 minus 5 1, 2 0 minus 2 and 2 5 3, that is adjoint A. And A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. This implies A inverse equal to, we get determinant of A is 10, that is 1 upon 10 into adjoint A is 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 and 3. Ax is equal to B. This implies x is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to x y z. X y z is equal to A inverse is 1 upon 10 into 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. It's A inverse and B is 4 0 2. 4 0 2. Multiplying first row, first column, we get the value of x, and second row multiplying column, we get the value of y, and third row multiplying column, we get the value of z. This implies x y z is equal to 1 upon 10, 4 4s are 16 plus 0 plus 2 2s are 4, minus 5 multiplied by 4 minus 20 plus 0 plus 10, 4 minus 1 into 4, that is 4, minus 2 into 0, that is 0, 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 2s are 6. X y z is equal to 1 upon 10, that is 20, that is minus 10, and that is 10. This implies x is equal to 20 upon 10, y is equal to minus 10 upon 10, and z is equal to 10 upon 10. That is 1, that is minus 1, and that is 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. Answer. We have given three equation x minus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 0, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. And by matrix method, first A is equal to coefficient of x is 1, y is minus 1, z is 1, and coefficient of x, y is 1, z is minus 3, coefficient of x is 1, y is 1, z is 1. And it's a matrix A, and B is equal to 4 0 2. Determinant of A, first element taking and first row first column neglect 1 1 minus 3 1, second time minus time of 1 minus minus is plus, and first row second column neglect what 2 1 minus 3 1 in bracket, and third 1 plus 1 first row third column neglect 2 1 1 1, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, minus minus plus 3 plus 1, 2 multiplied by 1 minus minus plus 3, 2 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. We get determinant of A is 10, and if determinant of A not equal to 0, then its unique solution and A inverse exists. We find the cofactor of matrix A, that is C11. C11 is 4, C12 is 5, 1 2 is 1 plus 2 is 3, then this number multiplied by minus, that will be minus 5, and 2 minus 1 is 1, so C13 is 1, and C21 second row first column 1 1s are minus 1 minus 1, second row first column 1 1s are minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 2, but 2 plus 1 is 3, this number multiplied by minus, it gives a positive 2, and C22 1 minus 1 is 0, C23 2 and 3, 1 1s are 1 plus 1, that is 2, positive 2, but 2 plus 3 is 5, this number multiplied by minus, that will be minus 2, and C31 means third row first column minus 3 1, minus 3 multiplied by minus 1, that is positive 3, minus 1, that is 2, and C32 minus 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3 and minus 2, that is minus 5, but 3 plus 2 is 5, so this number multiplied by minus, that gives a positive 5, and C33 1 1s are 1 plus 2 is 3, so we get the value of C33 is 3. Adjoint of A 4 minus 5 1 and 2 0 2, C31 that is 2, C32 is 5, C33 is 3. Its adjoint A inverse exists. A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. We get determinant of A is 10, but A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint A. So Ax equal to B, but x equal to A inverse B. X is xyz. xyz equal to 1 upon 10, 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 and 1 minus 2 3, and value of B is 402. First row multiply by 402, we get the value of x, and second row multiply by 402, we get the value of y, and third row multiply by 402, we get the value of z. 4 4s are 16 plus 0 plus 2 2s are 4, and 5 4s are minus 20, minus 5 4s are minus 20, 0, that will be 0, 5 2s are 10, and 1 4s are 4 plus 0, 3 2s are 6, and 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. 20 divides 10, that is value of x. 20 divides 10, that is 2, but we get the value of x is 2, and minus 10 divides 10, that is minus 1, its value of y, and value of z is 10 upon 10, that is positive 1. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 1, and z equal to 1. Answer. Thank you so much.